Hi Year 5, so we've made it through to Friday. So we're going to be doing a post-learning test today on our multiplication and divisions. So give the test a go. If you find that it's way too stressful, just stop it and then do some things on mathematics. I would rather you be doing something that makes you feel more confident rather than you doing something and going, I'm rubbish, because you're not. You're all amazing at maths. So give the test a go. If you're struggling too much, you could do some mathematics. But if you stick through it, I'm going to go through the answers in a moment. So just pause the video when you're working through it and then we'll go through the answers. Okay, welcome back. So we'll see how we got on. So first of all, we have to circle all the multiples of 5. So that's simply numbers in the 5 times tables. So 0 isn't technically in the 5 times tables. 0 is one of those annoying numbers that's just like particular. So we're not going to circle that one. 15 is in the 5 times tables. 30 is in the 5 times tables. 175 is in the 5 times table. And 500 is in the 5 times table because the number in the ones column, if it is a 5 or a 0, we know it's in the 5 times tables. Okay, number 2. Now write one number that is less than 50 in each box. So here we want a number that is a multiple of 6, so it is in the 6 times tables. There is also a square number. Now here, what I would say, just find the square number of 6. So 6 times by 6 is 36. So we know that is a multiple of 6. It is a square number and it is less than 50. Perfect. Now I want a multiple of 6 that's not a square number. Think about another number in the 6 times tables. 6 will do. Any other number in the 6 times tables will do, as long as it's less than 50 and not 36. Okay, now you need to think of a number that is a square number that is not a multiple of 6. So that could be 25, it could be 16, it could be 9, anything like that. Then you need to pick a number that is not a multiple of 6 and not a square number. Just pick a number, as long as it's less than 50, it's not a square number, and it's not in the 6 times tables. I'm going to choose 15. Okay. One juice box is 4 centimetres wide. Eva makes a line of boxes 240 centimetres long. How many juice boxes does she line up? So, the total length of this line is 240 centimetres. It can be broken down into 4 centimetre chunks. So what we can do is do 240 divided by 4. How many 4s go into 2? It's not possible. How many 4s go into 24? 6. How many 4s go into 0? 0. So you should have 60 juice boxes. Okay. Amir arranges 12 square tiles to make some arrays. Draw another array of the 12 tiles that is different to this one, but basically 12 times tables, or numbers that are factors of 12. So 1 times by 12, this array is showing, because it's one row of 12 tiles. This one is showing us 2 rows of 6. So think about 2 other numbers that can times together to make 12. The other one is 3 times by 4. So you could shade in 3 across and 4 down. That could be one array, or you could do it the opposite way. So 4 across and 3 down. Okay, number 5. Alex runs 800 metres. Whitneywork runs 10 times as far as Alex. How much further does Whitney run than Alex? Now, this is a 2-step problem. First of all, we need to work out how far Whitney's running. So she's running 10 times as far as Alex, so 800 times by 10. We know that is 8,000. We're doing the difference. So we found how far Whitney's run. We need to compare it with Alex's 800, so we need to do 8,000, take away 800. So, 0 take away 0, 0. 0 take away 0, still 0. 0 take away 8 we can't do, so we cross that out, turn to a 7, borrow the 10. 10 take away 8 is 2, 7 take away nothing is 7. So your answer is 7,200. So hopefully you didn't fall into the trap there of just doing one step.